Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get eSIM QR code for Mint Mobile. First things first, of course, you want to go ahead and ensure that your phone is compatible with eSIM technology. Most newer iPhones, Samsung Galaxy and also Google Pixel devices support eSIM. Okay, next, if you are an existing Mint Mobile user, just log into your account on the Mint Mobile app or website. Look for the option to activate eSIM under account or settings. Okay, and if you're a new customer, just sign up for a Mint Mobile plan on their website or app, and during the activation process, select eSIM instead of a physical SIM. Okay, then what will happen is Mint Mobile will send the eSIM QR code to your email or directly on the app. Just open up your email or Mint Mobile app, scan the QR code using your phone's eSIM setup menu, okay? And just follow the prompts to complete the activation, right? And that's it. You're now all set with Mint Mobile's eSIM in just a few steps. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.